Alright, so kasama natin ngayon si Sir Joseph, isa sa makikisig at gwapong sales associate ng BYD Lipa. And Sir Joseph is here to explain more about this BYD Shark that just landed here on the Philippine market. Sir, ano po yung size ng gulong nito, sir?
Bali sir, ano siya? Bali 265 by 65 R18.
So 18 guys, 18 inch yung rims niya, 265 by 65 yung wheel niya, yung size ng tire. So napakaganda nito and comfortable if you're driving on the highway and if you're off-roading din. Ayan. So sir, yung capacity ng battery nito?
Battery capacity po niya ay 29.58 kilowatts po.
Okay, so I believe that this is a plug-in hybrid. So pwede siyang i-charge sa bahay?
Yes sir.
Pagka ba bumili ng BYD, may kasama ba siya na wall charger?
Yes sir, meron na po.
Okay, tapos pag kinapos sa battery, meron bang range anxiety ito?
No sir, kasi supported na siya ng gasoline engine natin.
Okay.
Based sa
Yes.
DMO.
DMO technology. So gasoline engine, ibig sabihin pwede kayong mag-charge ng petrol engine. You don't have to worry about the range anxiety. And napansin ko sir, yung gulong nito is GT, right?
Yes sir, GT.
Yes. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung mga electric vehicle, particularly, iba yung range ng gulong nila. Kasi yung gulong nila ay especially developed for EVs. Kasi yung EVs is mabigat na by nature because of the battery that it carries within the frame. Tama sir?
Yes sir, tama
Ayan,
po.
yan.